Welcome to this video demonstration of connecting your smartphone up to a Fiat 500 for listening to music. So I say we're in the Fiat 500 at the moment. The first thing that we need to do is connect the phone itself. So you connect the USB end of the cable that the phone came with, and then if I just push that connector in to connect the phone itself, not only will it charge the phone, but you'll have the ability to listen to the music that you've got on the phone. It'll read it as an iPod, as you've just seen there, and if we turn the music up or the volume up, you can hear that that song is now playing. We can browse tracks on here, so these are tracks that are on my iTunes, for example. You can then play either of these really, but play any song you want that's on your iTunes directly through the smartphone cable that the car came with. So we turn that up, that's now playing in the background, as you can hear. Really clever system. You can also, we can go on to Uconnect, and there are various apps that you can get on your phone that you subscribe to, but that will give you things like traffic information, satellite navigation, various other things like that. Uconnect Live is the app on both Google Play and on the App Store that you can use to connect your smartphone to a Fiat. It's a payable subscription that you have on it, but really well worth having if you have a Fiat.